guys, welcome back to Never Stop Building, and I'm going to do the oh, the Minecraft Lego set treasure hunt, and I don't think it's actually called this, but it really looks like what it's called. And so this is all the pieces I'm going to be doing. You can see that it's organized and that I've been building it a little bit. It's just, I noticed that like my first video was pretty long, so I was like, maybe if I just built just a little bit, it will be a little bit shorter. So let's just get to it. Alrighty. Yep, that already has that piece. Alright. And so I'm going to be actually doing a few other Lego videos soon, and I'm going to do some gaming videos. Roblox videos. If you don't know what Roblox is, you can actually get it at the App Store, and it's a really fun game. It has a lot of cool games in it. And Minecraft, I'm going to be doing some building tutorials on that, and maybe I might do a building tutorial actually of a volcano. So if you're doing like a beach, or if you're doing like some cool stuff with a volcano, you can get some cool ideas of volcanoes on my channel. Just type in Never Stop Building, and if you find like other videos, you can just type in Never Stop Building Lego Fox. That's my first video, but you can just go and click that channel so you can find my video about that. But I don't know why I said that. Okay, so put this right over here. Can you guys see it? Okay. On to the next step. Alright, so get this one, a red block. This piece. Sorry if I'm getting too close to the camera with the Lego pieces. this is done. So here is the Lego Treasure Hunt underwater Lego set, and you can build this on Minecraft, of course, and you can just get some other pieces, and maybe I can do a tutorial on a gaming video of how to do this. And stay tuned on Never Stop Building. Bye.